In experiment number 15, you have to analyze the performance of small signal common gate JFET amplifier. This is the circuit of a common gate JFET amplifier, in which the gate is common with respect to source and drain. Where the source is connected RS 680 ohms and VS through C1, and with drain is connected RD and VDD, and RL is connected in parallel with RD, and a 1 microfarad capacitor is also connected in between RD and RL. So the JFET parameters you have to use in for this circuit are: IDSS is taken to be 15 milliamperes, VDD is 15 volt, ID is 3.12 milliamperes. This value comes when you take the voltage drop across RD as 6.24 volt. Vp in this case is minus 3.9 volt. You have to change the JFET parameter of V threshold to minus 3.9 volt in multisim. So internal resistance of Vs you will take is 80 ohms. You don't have to connect 80 ohms resistance here because you will automatically consider the internal resistance of Vs as 80 ohms. This is basically the internal resistance of the source you will connect in multisim. So the formula you will use for GM is same: 2 IDSS over Vp into ID over IDSS whole square. Rn is equal to 1 over GM parallel with Rs. VL over Vs is Rin over Rs plus Rin, where Rin you will find from this formula. Small rl is equal to Rd parallel with Rl. So you will put the value of Rs as 80 ohms here. The rest values you will find from these formulas. Next is the table for the circuit. You have to change the value of Vs from 20 millivolt to 200 millivolt. At each value you have to measure the value of VL. The calculated value will be same for all of these values of Vs. So you will measure the value of VL using oscilloscope on multisim. Then you will compare these calculated and measured values using percentage error. So percentage error is basically equal to calculated minus measured divided by calculated into 100.